kanokura kire no saa na minister yamfo so ohia nokura na nanom ahemfo apolisifoɔ asogyafoɔ ha obi bia wo fa kura me yebɔ ne me hia nokura boa me na yenka nokura wo man mu ewo Kumawood TV
ofa kwaba
ya ko
esa me bai ofa odwe ho sɛn
jade ya to kwabena asabi wanya respect bia ma na oka afon che no etim beto ya konadu no nso agide same phone say Ghana politics football ewrade nsani na da bia me ka chom se mo mu ni asofo na chi de ni abeku
anti prophecy no wonyi ni
wamboa
ensama agent ha e wo Ghana ni social media nyina na yen so akeka bom ene yesu ekabi ama wo so wate make sure so be he Koowaa dwumadie eye adwoada ekosi fiada anaba no nso e wo Kumawood TV na be ye dedede mu host Diane ena me de bremo
Kumawood TV amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV aba amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV aba amansane yena yedimu Sini papa be na upe biasha amansane winnano baby Kumawood TV amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV amansane yena yedimu
Ogyamfo enen so ade pache ye de aseda be matochugo so Kuami a otosu ebo ewia so de na adom no adom no mienu no amen no moje de frisane wo yemu enim se utifi a wo hwe ye de waje so se amen sense papa no waye bi pa wo hwe Koowaa Kumawood TV ye de bro eye anope bia no so pepe na age edwa ensama ekotwi eba ye world of entertainment mu bi twabu social media bi twabu ahemfa promo ba bia eno na ye yabobo ano ene de bro ene stories be brave ena aba na before ye the stories be bro na mama eye me wo fa achi mama mu nyina akwa aba no wadaro mama me kan cho se ne atade ehye me efi CJ fashions Kumasi amekom ono ena bribia no make sure say me look extraordinary well obesa ho ye fe we look classy e wo bibie mu a wadaroma udra mekoma directly opposite Jupo chemist or Danny Sports eho ena obehu eye CJ fashions udru HFM junction ho a obehu se ne billboard no esi ho se poti friend no 0268505021 0268505021 atade bia be two-piece clothing, one-piece clothing, long dress, mini dress, midi dress, man CJ ora kwame asamwa osi obe clothing ahom kamole ama ohun IFS so go there now we pastor Eugene pupu bia mo pamo African dresses na mo fan kodano na chese I did my own makeup today. Makeup was say me wigi efri a lucky princess or no and now oye edisheme. Yabande na yaba ene yabamo akwenya ma onso afreju media no so your number is latter part of the program me BB lines now to mama afraid 0202 668462 trotto ho 0202 668462 o trotto ha yenye B lines na onso so afraid and then we get started. So as I say, and I say we get talking. But my fache, my Ogyam so achi. Now you know, you fed me the angels. Over machi. Over I need the old wow. I said, what should I already injure?
Yes, you have fufu.
And not the cofita. Then they are adding.
Now maybe she said, I feel like you fufu my. One friendly brand so Uncle Sanchez more passive for you.
Wow, that's interesting. So they use so. Ogyam.
Sister
Granny.
Sister Nye.
What are they? What are you? How much me say me baba bana me yan and say yes win to win. What do?
No for you of a crack man.
No other time be.
I said it's super good so many super good. With empty.
And see about the neighbor.
Oh,
very fine. I'm for Yaban the neighbor. Mama of Fashion, Mama Ogyam so watching. They say we're getting started. I don't know. Young video for the day. Emma, nothing faster essentials. You're live on Kumawood TV. Ushe Koowaa. Okay, and you know, your video for the day now, but I offer Abrowania who cried on much.
Very interesting. I said, never Bruna, but no Sally Marina is here. Okay, and manager catches with you.
And the American can be paid.
And a Ghana for me, Manangas and woman fear.
Another allocation.
A young future,
sir.
She will do it, Shepa.
Oh, do them see, sir.
Was so baby, if you know, so baby, yeah. To be such a level. Someone who say, what's on? But I need a white thing if you want.
Ogyam, hey, and then Kawunya can better or Dopa or not yet. Oh, my, I got to what has Roga to later, maybe Saturday is if you are white. I know, you know, send you on your fake. Ogyam, my friend say, Ogyam, okay, romantic. Okay, nobody said you know, very they said you have forgotten and you will find out winning now. You escape for a band, you have it. I'm not going to see now. Then I am not chatting. Let me be man. Or chat your man, me go. Share a man. Ogyam first time in Trash, Ogyam de Mijawa. Any romance, a crown and have it with TV. So, may comment him, a for me. So, if you are now open, so what the WhatsApp message ever number with me, I was sending WhatsApp messages to you 0202 668464. TNAPA 0202 668464. For messages, Ning Alpha, we're going to read all of them to you. Why? Now, also go because you know me, you know, and I run a show. Your first story, I owe her, and I don't pay a also for Ajagurajah. I guess say Mabudini, aha, so for Ajagurajah. Aha. Now, near Quatia, yes, I saw a man, one more spiritual water. Yes, spiritual water say, or more fun could now, maybe so. So for what they push a video in the answer. Then for him, now maybe some back one. Why? Teacher me, yes, video in the said. Spiritual water. Now, we shall send your mouth for CD a cast, yes or lie. I am Kwaji, Edia Kujari, and I say a quacono. Of her, made a big pity also. Of us, you are quite your addition to your share of pay. I can't send for the also. To ground upon obedient a fiddy at 2 a.m. older, or a motor power. Radisha Safunia, no Mucasia, so much of the world you are connected. Na kakra American say o my Ghana no timamfo no e wo problem kakra ye mu bebre na wo problem because Urade asem say o tiemu ne nsem so tiemu it is a Kristo ni ye na tie de na se ye be don ni e be di ni e be tie na asem a adan na ye hia protection bi a e free nsuo adan na ye hia protection bi e free botan adan na ye hia protection bi e free enkun mu e free kosua mu unse eninti ase
because the obo ni wiase na wotibu bi no ebo wo mu a wote ase ne se wote mu wote ase and woja utumi bi a eburu tumi nyina aso nti ose ne a wobekekere ne ha no bekekere ne soro e be sa ne ma nyina de aja wawie na afiduru na afedi wo se ja sa ne ma we kakraka nyina ho ne obo wo no ho wa anyi na ani wo anyi ne ati mu ani na ukofansuo bi se enumu na afedi anwode no akodi a onse nyame na wa abotre ngwa se wiase o go it me disrespect in any time ye kan so asa agure uri etwa ba o hun cars akuku dama e pato
ya so lie
ameno kan yo empanyimfo bi o Ghana ha omo wo asabe emrahye beja fie hobby cars hobby o ba jinsu akodware disesa ni ba we wo ba na se sebe wo mpeso aso ni wo bu maya ufiri se o de sofu ya dwene ebu maya na so do no ana dwene o ko school ko sia na ekobu o maya anane mpata mu ho wote asem na se papa we ya ogina we ebi ya ohini wo mu je sa ahini we wo kuro mu a mpacho mebusa wo de sofu na dwene na ebebu ni kuro no ana se wo de ono ana dwene ewurade de ball no se uyo onipa yisu adwene nim dia man fa ya adwuma no eno no de bebu o maya me se o ma we be so ya efiri ya sofo no nditie so wasi ya mna magi nsuo ngodare nyemfa protect ya ho na nipa kuku da masala ise ya sa nipa we ye minister woni fie ni kurom na so sofu yi friend se me paacho me pese ha kwan na ye mame afiwe ya ndufri zo family kan nya sa akwan
na ofati o wonyi ni se me man kwaje spiritual water se na wi ase asia ye ne woda na ja ye uso behwe no na chese no ma e koso tunsum wi ase no enti me koso fo wona me kwaje spiritual water na me di dware a se na e ba bebo me ho ban o
e dia na te ensuo nim
se tumi so ho
kwa
efre rade
afedo o ni ade ne te etu kwaje ensuo no kura na e ya urade mu na e ba ya aduma disate sa de ensuo ne kan ye question ni because of na aba say urade na friend so me urade ndaduma ana urade yankopon so de tumi bi adua ye mu de tie mu so chen ne o wi ase it is ya say urade na ekobo ye ho ban de a ene ensuo ne ekoje ye no anza na urade abetra ensuo ni mu aya na o ti ansem na se e je woni ma bebre wa ye mu nipa bebre na ye mpempa ibo den ma ye fasting ye den so ti ase dia sofu ku bi na timi ye eti de duru afia na ye de ye wure yakoma ya dwene ye ntia ase nyina akodua sa ankofo ni mu na kusa wo so no nko asunzumi ne atie na mu nyina mu nti mo mpa ye bia mo se mo de mu ha nyina akuda no ya nwode be nko ano no nko wogura
ebi okura hoden so
o he ni ade ni tio ade na urade aboye nyina na obi ye too special than yen
because I suffer so I suffer
ba mo nso ya suffer
so mo de o de ni omo
o de ni de nkawe
but we ono de suffer ni de ya o de no say chale we ye ordained pastor and to tumi so ku biti ni mu that's how ye timi mu for ni you want ye papa no suffer
then ye o de ni no e ya sem no sia he e no wie ni e ka kire ni se bia wa sia de aduru no aferi o ho kwan Kristo kan ho nko ye adwuma ti se me so me no tifie ni sia aduru wa Kristo kro no be sen aferi adia
asem Wofa asem waka ni nyina asem de fa na de afa ha asem de fa na de afa ha
so ya asefem so
Ogyam to boase asa odi nka are
na me be ka bi
o de ka de o be ka
be ka sem to bom
to na yonkwe
di o
wajin so fo ejare
me
ko so fo oda
makoso fo oda makoso fo papa ho me nko so fo a se bi etim umtihwi esisi fom me nko bi da
na de won so fo bi tisi fom
anasa ko wo ye ni tisi fom
e din te ni tisi fom
ya mo sala ko din se de nsuo mo ya din ase de nsuo mo ya din
se so aso to we are special water we are special water special water
nipa ne wo no nipa ne wo wi ase no ya ne bi se bi so e bi ye nipa ana se bi so e bi ye moa na bi o ko ti si am ko se boy se so fu moa bo ka che so mu nyina ma di nsuo na ye fa ko guguru ya ko na mo sala bebre
wa mo kwaje ahoro ye ho se be ye beto mo ade o mu ma be koso nya ajaje
eni pa ni afira o ntonyam se eni pa ni afira ye mi eni na ho ade na ye nim bi no ye nche den ebi nim nche den nim nyansa
abutre
da bi abutre o enya abutre se nipa da sani na go pa bo nipa se wo se so sabra wiase na ba dey e ba ye meduma na wo so nipa bebrebe abegu was sad say yan for bucket imagine you and soon what they call it and then what they call it
ko bon ho ban
sad no me ema nipa wunya no me wunya susun so bedum le bi no ja susun so le mo nipa em twime nipa ne nipa nche nipa nyansa enya ye mle ne duro no nipa me ni na ho se me Ogyam me to na bia me se me nsa me ya anase sofu bia frɛ me Ogyam bla ba di nsuo fa ba wuru tim fa won ade me kwan ni betu
akoy
ni betu na se je na ye me ene sofu for piaje hospital for adwuma ye ase ba no ka no sofu for bebe bade hospital for adwuma ye ene ko sofu no mo a de ekotu nan ya de pepe kuru mu no asofu for ni nya wo bi wo ho
ko ne dia ma
ye dia ma
si ye de ma na so dia kwa ko sa
wa show wo je wa hwe wo ye doctor
spiritual doctor
anya wo ma bi mo wo manim ya so fofo na ye no wo mo na de ko bonsam dem wo mo na de ko ya de ye me dro ne de mi de mi papa eni bone no nba ko tu ya se so so hu papa hu bone ya ese wala
akwanche de omi nkase ni ho akwanche ho ho odi ase bato mani pa de wure ashade bi mu ama ade na so ache nyame ye dangerous
Ofasa na wo ni say it be before the ye de re share asofo ni mo esen ya
na asofo na asokura no nsam de o mu kura no hunni ni akase nyame o no asa de wure akohye bibi pesen ko bi gina woni pakase de se ye nua kwamresia ma mia mo fase Ajagurajah no amu na urade o de nka urade afre no kura no asa yi ni pa adwena kohye nsuo wela ya nkofo asa wo nsuo jude busa o say ya de titiri bi ebe bo o man ko ntinkeri pa be se adaja be san line sa ne nsuo keke san wo line ase ye gidi aye se ye nya nsuo ni bia ye ntimi sustain ni eyi ano o ma nipa nya gidi akwhya ade ni ma che nyame obo ni bia se e di na wo se ba sa
e bia na nsuo no kwaji fi nyame o
ebe tuma fi nyame o abula bi dan chen no wo ko de
bura be na dan chen wo ko senso ni na o jira wo se ya bura
na do ye nya bura
na ko hu se ya bura
wodi ntri kakra gum
ana na Ogyam hu se ya do
ya me ni na ho nipa na wo wi ase no beble dey me
wa ka bia he wo hu se nchi no wo
ye madre
am ko menim
nya sa de ma da
I wish for your second story, but I'm still reminding you, say, your WhatsApp line, the Juma 0202-668-464. 0202-668-464. What do message about your back and kind Eddie more? Your next story, I just say, Obina Kasa. Was or no, we sound so bleaching in the skin view. Send a bear, Nidina, Chesena, Ira industry, no one answered Iran. It be sounds so revival. Let me name say, Sebi, you're the bleaching, Eddie Gidin. Oh,
Brother, my name is coming down. When I do something, my name is wake up in the Ghana, and people they shout to fresh. And when I breathe in myself, my name also wake up. But my big father of the nation tell me that make I stop or I stop.
Who be your big father?
You know already. I can't mention that name. My big father is be printed in Ghana. Yes.
But what about the eyelashes? You be woman?
Oh, I'm not a woman. For misbehavior for the guests. When the guests see me, when the guests see the lash and the behavior me to love me.
I see your video in one of our group chats when you put some short video and people they talk about you what breaching here. They obisuka say who you gay na.
Oh, me, I'm not a gay. You see my just saying that the lumba, they are all breathing themselves. When one of Banku breathing themselves, what is the problem? Ghana, you like talking too much. I'm the superstar for the nation. After Shatawale, I'm the third position in the Ghana. The great man in Ghana. Why people are shouting like a mrigitis? They are empty Congo. You see Banku fresh. You know my life. If I want to do something, just clap. Don't talk in Ghana.
Banku, no question I say because of bleaching. No, I'm GH1.
Oh, they be me DH1. They me. But one say more G me time. Time na eko politics no.
Election time
no. Brother, my name is coming down. When I do something, my name is wake up in the Ghana, and people they shout to fresh. And when I breathe in myself, my name also wake up. But my big father of the nation tell me that make I stop or I stop.
Who be your big father?
You know already. I can't mention that name. My big father is be printed in Ghana. Yes.
But what about the eyelashes? You be woman?
Oh, I'm not a woman. For misbehavior for the guests. When the guests see me, when the guests see the lash and the behavior me to love me.
I see your video in one of our group chats when you put some short video and people.
Brother, my name is coming down. When I do something, my name is wake up in the Ghana, and people they shout to fresh. And when
Bukom Banku, Ogyam di fruso. Bukom Banku say, no. wo bleach bi msa da be ya ne dina na ayira be san so revive say boxing e bia na nko ya ma ne ti minim se bia butan abo boxing e bi ma na say on mo bi ti say wa share eyelash aka so be share mo re na wa keka so mami nti
me mami mi aba da bia ya na me kase enipa bi wo ho no mo a ya no odinum se wo enipa enso ya no wo ya abo a
awotre
ame kase mo nchiro Ghana na ye ho Ghana ha no emlanja djumo emlanja djumo
so we do bi bleach no ha no
da bi ye tuchu ese tuchu e passa no a ugu family ona so ugu o man ni ma se ye tuchu sa obi a we boxing ja obi en so obi kun Banku de boxer ya wa kun da me ani agye enne se boxing na firi wo kun ana se wo be ya ade djama Ghana fo ka bia mo wa hwe wa hye wani nton what's up painting mu au ko se na ntwina mu a ya de gu sudi e passa no a ugu enya e passa enya e di ade wo ye ye ma na wo do na se nyem dey
so pesa 140 nka
e to nka sa na ye dey
e so o sisi na se ni din no kofom enti o revive ni din no
nyansa de nto yo nyansa enya pala ni aton so furu ma mi yamba na se ya wo beto sasi so na se nyakopa ma onyansa wo ye de ya wo nya bi
te so bleaching so no ho ya se no ho ya se wa sha lash
ese ki si na bo ye si na bia fa abo
ono de ne ho na wa bleach sha lash so de si na bo sesen
e jere na busafo ni je ho
naka
ne yire ni je ho
na sa ne yire ne fe
ena ne yire no wo ye mum no wala no
na sisi pa Ogyam tu hwe na no ho nya
vei ya mo omumu mani mle omu so kakra omumu mani mle omu so tiade awu ye se ya na Ghana fo bi po se ya ne pe ade nyansa no yemfa che dimi sei na ye soso ni Ogyam sa ko se me soso
se so bleaching so se nya na ye te ka ho asem ama ne di no a revival
ye de bia me ka ho wo so nyansa nya me ba nja so tiya tina wo ya de bia no dinu se nya kopon ko ba yes ta ka siam fi se ya wababo se go jai ku be TV so egu nwani ma se ya enye fe obese se nsuban won se nsuban na mo wa no
all right ofa se de wire no honi o de wire no hono no se de o so de revive ni din no
radi hu ne mobo na ya na me kra wra ho amo mo se ya ho ma ani ma bi se ti mi koso one nipa bia nhye sa de menzu se wo yo nipa na urade bo no mu se kala bi sei ene betima fata se wa ye wo ba kokko a wotimi se nke etimi divert be yetuntuma o be yetuntuma Kristo woni mu bi
masesa no
yemu enipa bebre ye bomba ya enko ne ho ne firi oni mu bi yenti mu oni mu ne se di onim se okọ na otie no enti no hwe yen ya setenam kura ya tie obi batimi ko hye baabi na adwendiri bi ni ade bi na ne so akote se de na ne maame nim no mo aye tantan otimi ba fini obi se di akoso ya pani sa word na yi so no kire se nesu ohun ne ba no wo hu no ba da akoso ya firi ne nche na won te se ne otie e de na si ye de na ba ya akoso ya timi aye se e firi wo ko ne o se hu ne se ye maame di kan yira ye ni die first eni je ne mo yira wi a afenzo so no ohun firi ase afunu nipa ohun be ye nipa ta ohun be ye nipa nya because say de no osi hu nya sa na ohun so one can't mpo no anya busu omo wodopa omo nyina sa atwe omo firi ho tina nkofo ko akontrol ma no omo yare ya na busu reject go ko na won tesa eye de na akobasa edi se enipa ase trenam no etimi kosa na ne ogbo wo enim sa ade se na be fata wo se wo divert a won sa papa na odo a wo mo ntama ko so tena se bi ye kan ade ketua bi na ya brofo kasa on se brofo de ofa menya de
ode ofa kan
me for so na de ma twetwe amomotie gaka
ofa twetwe
I say but I have this against you Tio but I have this against you that you have abandoned the love you had at first
okay
but don't just me wo wait ya because odona na first e wo ho no wa ma sa adona free anjam
okay
sa adona asai eni obiem o just say odona baba be ye time free say Kristo do enti o se de Nyankopon do wi asini di say urade do no free say na me ye ma we beboa say na se fata wo na wo kire urade say wagimi a wo be say de na wo ka aye so papa wo no say me be school we no ko e be boa me pese me ba na da achi duru ha na akran say me pese school no nko first school bi atu say school no obi apie free ma na say be waye wi smoker obi apie free no aye convinceni ufri so papa be say ni school fees was say school na wo professor okono ho na say if no dia ene na sa na tie wo awrade ani edin na dia na be ye hwe bonku say dimpa eyes na hunya there's a din dia ehia pa na mom ne papa no eyes na obi asabe wode ne ho
okay
it is a wo to na so pedi na box mu a nipa nyina ni mu wiase say din na anso wo po ho mom na ofiri say ebe mu onya din a e make sense no Wofa se Bukom Banku tie no don trans din mo ma ne bu mfu ne Wofa mo nfa na battery sem ne ma me so ne mo ntie ma se ma mi pesa me musa no say sabio awrade nim ni a wo tie hwe bia na wo fire hwe bia ko school duru ye sabio obrofo nya se Wofa o dia sem na se ebi ni fie se Wofa na abedrum pempenso bi entokwakon mundi wiase nyina ye Bukom Banku e kai ni pakro na so wani anso ne awrade aya ama wi edisa wo be po ho na ofiri se be mani pa sa kai wo bie mu a asema wa wo ke Koowaa gini mu
Ofa se on se no e ma ya na ma ni bi pe me ma omo ye kokko so enti on ofiri se no so on bright ne color ne so a Everyone said to encourage say ebia e ma no sana na yire kwa wo be hina na yire ni ji
sama no omu mfra busiam no omu nitire
wo be hina na yire ni ji hu
omu mfra busiam no omu nitire se wo ko wale na nim se o pe be ma kokko
okay
na se beta fracha wo ko fa tuntu na se ne no won sra wo so hu se wo yire ne kora no on be wo yi
okay
because everybody wonim ne ye o nti no ama ye kala miensa wo wiase so onipa ye den akala miensa na ba ko be ye ofe mo ba ko mo frɛ ni tuntum mo ba ko mo frɛ ni kokko na mo ba ko mo se chocolate color o chocolate eno so wo etu be ma no wo every right sa wo mo nyame adom wo ko fa oba no o select ni a wo pɛ eti sa wo mo akɔ select color a wo pɛ na oba no so hunu color ade ba na on so gituma ene de die na si o se po ho ni e tan bra so yo mo akotwa sa wo mo no bo sa asra sa wi a wanu hu be yenyenyan o san nipa ho an e o ja na kire nye o ja asem na so yi an to nchen a ututwasi eto so tu yare ne ye pese ye operation kure ja wo bre wan nwene sa de we nyina ankwansida wa dwene sa wo ye bibia ma se he urade o se wo didi urade atemu na wo no se be ba sa nkwa be na wo
wale no wale obi be wale
obi wan se se
Bukom be wale na zenje
ene sa no yire be 3
oh be wale
so be
so ye se na ninto be ye no be ye no ho ade next story
see na abi na what's on television Kumawood TV and I wish Koowaa me did Diane sanso and I of lumba Ogyam so dey the bomb thrower or so no why crowd or ha my main messages back community be more quickly and sana yakwa next story so I have this one here or say of lumba you are welcome Mpacho one for the account next time add your name so that Wofa will know who sent this message. This one say Poppy Connie is my name. I now understand this man called Ogyam. He's real. Please let's maintain him. But tell Lumba that he is still the best. Thank you so much, Connie. Good morning. I'm Modric from is it Subiri Nkwanta. Offer the nation uncle. May God bless you with more wisdom. Done well. Thank you so much. So also know the message here there, but this one also says is Bishop Lumba saying he doesn't believe in directions? Directions are in the Bible from Old Testament. So what Ajagurajah is doing is in the Bible. Offer do be so Eddie Abreu no. I'm Zack City from Michael Camp Barracks. Good morning to you all. You're looking beautiful this morning. I love your program too much. I love your program too very much. Over I dare for you. Ogyam, I dey greet you. And Ogyam bomba mama home. I think say dey what the home papa. Over lumba nie Kumawood TV nie. Thank you so much. Next time I add your name now for ehun nipa kra a date message no eba. Over lumba you do all. I'm teacher Miracle listening live from Biposo. Teacher Yedasi. I really like Ogyam and Bishop Lumba pa. You're doing great job. Keep it up. Ogyam nie and dey Akwama. Nice one. Lumba, I miss you more. Banku should see a man of God. You know, so the one for the uncle. Indeed, Wofa Lumba is wise from Barrister. Barrister, I want to say Eugene. This one say Joshua, I'm watching you live from Achumako Florida. Offer all the way. Bukom Banku superstar. My foot. I will try. would say, when also person be attending, kind to bleaching until what our Roma so bleach as the ladies will love him. You understand the deal? Take it easy. I'm Juliet from Sunyani. Because of Lumba, I have stopped watching RTV now. Kumawood all the way. Thank you so much. Keep on listening and I say watching us. Of a near Kumawood TV near Bushman. Oh, a Greek. Bushman say Ogyam of good. Once again, my question is why the word of God with us, and why if you're sick, I will drink medicine because the power is in you. Please don't forget the word. Mate, yeah, that's it. One for the amber, next for the bra. We Ghanaians should read our Bible and then concentrate on the word in it. And stop listening to this false prophet. And sometimes the government must take actions against them, especially those who appear on our TV screens regarding information on spiritual money, because it is destroying our youth. Ken Ransford Aka from Sefi Yoso. Ken, yeah, that was it, baby. Diane, you look. Good morning, please. I'm Gabby from Ogyam TV. I love this show part. Today be today offer. There you look so beautiful. Thank you so much for your compliment. Offer, you are the best. Ghanaians should wake up from this fake prophet. Thank you. Diane, you look so beautiful. I like you. God bless you. God bless you. God bless you too. This one also says, good morning, offer. Evelyn, Ken's mother, Obapa Enima. Oh, okay. Obasi for you're live from Obuasi. God bless you all. God bless you too. Obuasi for your dome. So me Obuasi girl to Obuasi for me. Watch the show more, you know. Please tell Ogyam that I really like him a lot. My family will be interested on your next stories. So I and my offer can't stop listening to your comment, Bishop Nana Utsubi Koowaa Nkwanta na Yechao Nkwanta Fuing na Nyami Inshamo. Hi, please. Good morning. I'm Mrs. Sarah Boaje Mensa from Takwa. Watching you live. God bless you all. My greetings to my darling, Mr. Godfred Abuaje Mensa and children Pamela DeGraft and Israel, we greet you all. Hello, I'm a free Daniel from Kumasi Tano. So I really enjoy this program. Keep it up. God bless you all. God bless you too. My next story. So I'm going to read all of them for you. It's in the source. What do message about? So if you say I'm not ready to yet, relax. We have a couple of minutes to go. About 30 minutes more. And then me did say amount for if you be last week in our stories. Yet still they say. Yenya bema Kuami Eugene papa bi aman homne so se ono ena neba ene Kuami Eugene o se wono no ohwimu kakra se nka okwa kodi pa aba obae no wenhu Kuami Eugene ne maami bi ohu ya ne se Kuami Eugene ti say dey say friend rockstar original she stage so e perform wa ye superstar ni adad mu TV so say me buy ni in American or call radio station na just say na Kuami Eugene ye granting interview or simple cho me bana mo granting interview nti mo fa na number mame and okoje na number e na ofre Kuami Eugene and so ofre Kuami Eugene say papa minimum enyam papa no minimum ba bia na wo dey story na yem Kuami Eugene say me ba say papa for be makoma be nwotwe e na wo mu claim say wo mo ba enano. When you go on YouTube right now, you type Kuami Eugene, you see, I mean, this is not the first time somebody came out to say that I'm Kuami Eugene's father. I've had more than 8 people come out to say that I'm your father. I beg. I know the man who gave birth to me. I know the woman who gave birth to me. And I know every single person in my family. Boss, don't come out there claiming that you are my father. I beg you. I don't know who is giving you that money so that you make his page. You make people go to his page to stream whatever is on the page. But I beg you, I know my father. It's not like I was born in the street, I didn't know my parents. But I know my father. What are you talking about? I know the man that gave birth to me. I know the woman that gave birth to me. Now, plenty fathers are coming out there. When I was suffering in Patapaa, my dad and my mom were trying to give me greener pasture. Go helter-skelter to put food on the table and make me who I am today. I didn't have anybody come out to say I'm Kuami Eugene's father. All of a sudden, more than 8 people
More than 8 people. Anywhere I go park, I'm Kuami Eugene's father. I'm Kuami Eugene's father. Somebody came all the way to my mom's house in Farama to come and tell. I mean, you are telling my mom that I'm Kuami Eugene's mother. Boss, I beg you. I don't want to mean. I don't want to be mean to any adults here, because I mean that's what my mom taught me to do. He says, Kwame, never disrespect anybody. So I don't disrespect people. But please, slow down the fact that everybody wants to claim my parents. I beg you. Don't hurt me. Don't start hurting my mom and my father. They feel bad when people come out to say that. It's not cool. Na papa penny mu wama blogger biama 200 Ghana. No, I can say, with the camera but also Shada act like you are Kuami Eugene's father and you get fit. When you go on YouTube right now, you type Kuami Eugene, you see, I mean, this is not the first time somebody came out to say that I'm Kuami Eugene's father. I've had more than 8 people come out to say that I'm your father. I beg. I know the man who gave birth to me. I know the woman who gave birth to me. And I know every single person in my family. Boss, don't come out there claiming that you are my father. I beg you. I don't know who is giving you that money so that you make his page. You make people go to his page to stream whatever is on the page. But I beg you. I know my father. It's not like I was born in the street. I didn't know my parents. But I know my father. What are you talking about? I know the man that did that to me.
Hey, Areho, and so any can is a come home. Na menkasa, me call for hospital. Over. Diabeto huni.
Tom de Viana, me out for one of us with Jamsona or Yamango for your Mujimi. Uncle Majai. The Tom de Viana prefers and Catimidi and Fracas because by the full view of us, I be no button. It's a change.
Stop it.
But I didn't wait Pia, said the Bible kind or Sequasia, no Yaman, no Ifini. As a mercy, Papa Fuya, you become massive in a bit to my young Quatia for one pay. Now, Koowaa Eugene, my side and so on. When also Sabata flat to bit my Quasiano pay. Dear dinner, Mamma Cancer. The Mamma Cancer and the Yamusa Mamma. And a band of Kuami Eugene. Question Banku said. Sir, and some old Benjamin, a buy a friend of Kuami Eugene. Na or one among 2 beam. Ne, Akofa pressure we are brenning banner. You are for me, Briwa, or Munyamaya, for me, my ban, or Mujo, Mamu Fedi. It become my mammy and son, my boss, and a tibi. Ubitin gas in the Tibema Baku, before so man would have no mouth dada, because we obey me and do starting on Mahunia Mayano. Tibema in him. And your mamma will also more come to the sense. So one may be, one mamma quite a maniac, a crown media, who will be a media farm obey. Some of them near my semi-water. Not so phoning not to was it to him, sir. We are Madame for Summer and Nasa, Nipaya or Tim and Temway and Lydia. But I can't offer my Koowaa and the Eugene and you only more Mosa. It is only Mosa. That's what we saw baby. Some men are care banadia on pet because when him there may be. So I know not. Sabe no one of that talent. And I soon him soon him Joson Fanguashano. And I him say him who are bound to Fanguashery. The man mining Nan, Evans are bound to make race no fun idea. Okay. Over to Sadia Coma Bema Bakwa, or no the own name say, or cause out to be any in a Munodia Comano. Some women ask him so, let him say at the Talon be Jebet Mayameba. Becadia and family will be happy. Ndiachina so go usam faso aba abofra ne so a say ni bani kudisim bie yeye na emu mo ba ma kro na wurasim na hunisa wo kwasea because e ka ba wo twon ho a e de ba me pa bi ni banyin se ni opoto ama na fe no onchiri se odi bomu okay e di se e ko ba ne sa ma me no anya de because na de sa ya wi ja ne bai abra sa bi wadu ni bani fie so o sa ne kra ni je ebeti mi abasa mi ye kika nya so ntesa ma me ne very innocent asabi odi ani die ne be ma ba ko petna ye a odi awo ne ba kwa me uje asabi ta fra se tesa ampa so dia na me ma nkwase afo abebata ho anope no mo pede ye wo
ene na je se empese mbisa se enti wo fai enti no sebi mpeduasa ma me no wonti ma out e ma me ka se mo nkofa 8 anasa wotwe amaba nyina no boi e no papa na wo mo maka nyina no ebia
ozo so tanso ebo yo nkofo bebiri wo a ma no de yenhwa ade o se ne ameka e bi kure betima tesa okay se nkofo yi ya ye kanya ma me na de di bia bi pen ye mfa ne sa okay di se ko ba se tesa no he ya wa odi ni ko e bi kure onyam ye ko bo ma ne straight nse ma ka to se o man bi wo mutimi de timi ma na nje firi o ko ni wa ba di atuma nsa no ba yesi onne no de ni nse no be ko wi akoda nja ka se ma nyimu o kan fo no asole boko akɔwe nkyɛn baako so ma no de bɛma no ti mfa nsa so ɔte fon wɔ nipa miɛnsa nan nyinaa anim na baako na so mu na nna wa ba abɔnten sɛ wɔmɛka deɛ ah ɔbɛn nsɛm a bɛba no duabɔ na bɛta akyi ntu ɔmpie ɛna kɔba sɛ nte saa maame ne nyɛ saa bia na mɛma no so mu pie a ɛmfa sɛ papa yi a waba yi ɛyɛ wo de ampa di akora yɛ wo de ana ɔba na wo yi ɛba ne sɛ na abakora anim yi ɔmo mɛma ne bebree nso gyimi bi a de nam wi ase na adwene sɛ wayɛ smart aban ne ho ɔfɛ ɔtima keka nya na wie ɛna wanyem na wie mehwim sɛ ne wa nyame number na ɔdi leti ne number na so a blocking ne line watɔ chip foforo ɛna wahwim na ɔba de nisuo atena se de kom ɛde afutuo saa ama akora na bɛgyina nti na wokora wopie yɛ no ɔmfɛle na kadeɛ bi sɛ kora wo pɛsɛ wo yɛ na sɛ bɛrima kora wani ate a nneɛma bi yusu kwasia no no wani ate wo so wo sɛ wagya ɔbaa ne yaw enti wo ba sɛ no fa mpanimfo nye social media asɛm ka wo fa mpanimfo titire na afɛ ɔbaa ne brɛ no wapɔta no wapɛ bɛ 100 million bi 200 million bi sɛ wabɔ bra nso so afa afɛ na ne 1 billion lie bi apɛ fie bi ketewa bi di ama ne sɛ wabrɛ miawo nim sɛ me no ba wokora wodi adanse ba ade a mede yɛ wɔ no manye ne reason sɛ nti na mam de hwi mu ampa so wo kopeska nti sɛ ɔba ne wanye yɛ ne ahwi ahwi nyansa be
enti wonyi ni su sɛ ɔfɛ ɛnɛ Kwame Eugene ba bɛ star Ghana obi ate ne nka no ba be claim na na
claim na yɛ sɛ nye Kwame Eugene kwa na yɛ star ti sɛ bibi nim so obi
ma me nka ne star say no wa yɛ star ni nti
star ne de sɛ yɛ ne papa no ampa kora yɛ star ni nti no wapie goma ene kom wo wa wo mra no nsa me yiska ankoma eti ne yɛ ta che papa no sɛ yampasa ne ba no na mo otu yɛ airtime ti mo onye ne social media sɛ asɛ wo pram obi nka bi ma no na sɛ obi ate ɔmbɛyɛ yɛ no ɔba ne frabusiam ebetuma ba sɛ ɔne na nyem ya mpa wo nti anhwɛ ne school biem ebetuma ba sɛ wa take risk nti wo jai school ebetuma ba sɛ ɔde ne nyuma bi sika ko hyem hwa akora no kosi so wo yɛ na wo de ɔdi dane ko yɛ no nti wa yɛ we nyina atia obi baba ya na sɛ be wo ba sɛ yɛ de yɛ na nya wo de wo nua ba yɛ de yɛ na nya wo de na sɛ na drum pɛpɛ so sɛ di atwa ne nisuo yɛ yɛ no kokoa mu ɔmo ante ase akɔpɔ ba bi atena din na mo ba yɛ so yɛ social media akora na nim na emu ase ma me nya me hyira nipa bi a wo yɛ nda ya won tɔfom bi mu ɔpɛgye obi gyina wa ya na adine sɛ ne fom ba eba ejima sɛ papa ne sɛ onye nyansafoɔ na wɔnkɔ na chi biem na wɔnsa amana foforo na nea wo yɛ die wo entebe
Ogyam
Lisa
Edio ebe mani bebre
wa na me te kona na metie Kwame Eugene ma me awu ana
ma me ti ase
na ma me no onye nyansafo ensem a eba ya ye di wo pinten koi ya Kwame Eugene wo pre wo eni kwa so
wa pre no ho sei
wona woni kokon de a ya me
kokon se emema no mo nko ma me ni ho ni ho no mo ba
ma me nka asem nkyerɛ Kwame Eugene no na wo no ayi wo ba na wo no senti Kwame Eugene no abetrase na nyame papa no papa no Kwame Eugene kasa wo kasa no wo kasa blegu mama me bra bonten no me kama man say nyina ante se Kwame Eugene wo papa ni na papa wo firi ha wo te ha ni di say
na o fa kasa mama no nya na adwen so beba
ene Kwame Eugene se Kwame Eugene papa na se mo kan ye no kure
sese
what's it about no Kwame Eugene no kure Kwame Eugene na wo
mama wo twe
and mama yano se mama no me yano dia mama wo tugo bia ni bi obi ani bi Kwame Eugene timi ko kan court kan say me se nyame papa no da moment na wo Kwame Eugene wo ma me tese nko ade mama me mra mama me ba wontin so Kwame Eugene oboa asome se ne papa ni pete se ne papa ni na Ghana fo nya ntu eto ma no ko ta kona wa won kasa wa won kare na Kwame Eugene no na wo no se Kwame Eugene yes anu dia ene memma mo tuni nyina no obi ane maame ne dai maame ne brabontin be ka che Ghana fo se Ghana fo yi de papa ne ka no wo boa me ba no ne papa ne me ya ne papa na e ko divoa ne papa wo na vrongo ne papa wo sahi na Ghana fo ye ho nto ye se wo ko te ko na dia ne se maame no ya wo ye no ampanya mpa se Kwame Eugene wonnyem nkwa no wo de ko bo adwaman wonnyem Kwame Eugene kwa ko bo adwaman so fi so wo mo adwaman ene Kwame Eugene papa woni papa ko pe na wo Kwame Eugene dia be kama Ghana fo enti so be kan dia ene memma ngotwe no obi ana wo dai
ebi oba no so na yin so me so mo
so mo dia na we ko hwini ba
so mo so ko hwini sai na sai on se nye bibia so na yeso so
wo be din wo
na so
wo so dia na se wan kasa no wo kwa no akwa no kwa no se be so wo nyim no kwa na ko se obi
Say be to so Ogyam ebi ana maame no so no etimi abi na no aka kire ne ba ne say efi omo o papa ni enti na Kuami Eugene say Kuami Eugene so no onim ne papa also onim ne papa
I don't papa bla so ni papa no de ni che ya
awa papa ne me social media
hey
yes papa
yes odi
yes
enema go up so ni to bi we
okay
what ana me papa ko se ka e ko ne ba won ne de si wo it is over say wo ma me tell papa dia enye me ko fa be papa ba na ga na fo nyango ampa Kuami Eugene papa ni se Kuami Eugene am for the papa me to am be ba ga na for already ah na se Kuami Eugene papa ni ye wo hwe wo mu ne papa ni wo mu simple papa ni na wo hwe wo mu
enti Kuami Eugene hwe me ma papa fa wo twini ni e ado obobra mo
asa na ka ifru ma me su enene ye se wo papa ye enso asa nkron no so ma me tu se wo ma me every say wo ma me nim se be wo papa ni dia ko fa papa ne bra na ga
ne baba ye so
kesi na na sa
mama enwotwe
musuban da bi ko se ma bi no musuban nye
obia ba panyini ne ya na case wo
kesi wo
say man si so omo try we say minister bi say be smart because of bikura wo de na kuma nyina ma be ma ba ko ni o ye ni ndi the goes afraid me ne wo kase case ya kan ma me ye frem ma nan ne ga na ma nan be gina ubenya one pe wo mu a ono was wo de ti be ma two pe no kro adi no kro ye two
34 for Ghana for ma 34
oh ni o top
Ghana for ma
omo ni o top phone omo ni
34
ya woni ya diko omo di ekopu ya woni o di top phone ya woni ya de ni to TV obi o ha me so ba o je o ba bi phone ha star Kuami TV eza sa Kuami ne to TV ko ne de yo Kuami Fred yo kojo
obabi won ma obabi won akope wode ne baba ko bechinchi mema bebrebe so eni we betwe mpra na we hwe ne ba eti ne ba no na ba sa asizo no wo bia ni no wonu da ya we se dada we se ya dada yes oni ne papa kwa oni ma na tempra
na ne kasa de sia mo sa case ni bi ba ko frame na ne 4 days so ono oba anya me sa me na fie nye enti ode kire ne ma mo se we no ne ne nya no abusiafo no me hu se ana we na akwa na we de so obebere ene omu hu ansa na otwe mpra dada so de no ma ode ne ho hyehye ne mpra dada no mbi nyi nsa ne ko ma mpra dada ena ne ma be dane na we na kodi aburukyire afi no mo pese o mo nka no kora nkyere ne se na ne bani ana so ogusa no se so wanyem ye so mo anye di okoda obi so nche kakra na ni bakro so pia gu so no so no eno so be ya ne dai o ne wiase ne tie na awofo no ne se be nkura bi abe ba so no imagine na ye sharp chenya me obo ni wiase ne se de o hyehye ne
amo face smart game
watch as an anti da bia la da no o mba wie no so no ma be ye kwa
ofa mpacho da mo mami ntwa no
what chance
sister bi we fi o ene baba ya efi school ba ye
o do mo ni ba bia atme sere o
okofa tutie okofa be ma no a papa mi no ya ene ni kokoro makota dia ba no je woni akra no wo edem obeba na be ma na ye nti ope tu wo ma me no wudi nyansa
o wa me ya sam na ake
e ba sa wudi nyansa ene
ya mama nka messages kaka na me the last story beba na answer na Ogyam abutre
Papa ni won hwe omnyina omnyina papa
Ogyam won tiri hwe omnyina
e papa ye wotwe ene sa de on fa mra bonten ye ma me mra bonten ma ko hwisam ma wo mo wiase no e be ko hwisam enye mo bra ba mo bona sase so enye eme ma sam ene Kuami ji won ye start so papa me enso o be ne dai upo papa me 8 o ma me fa beto so on sanfo amudi am ma me ni subaya
ndi na so ye hon dia na so be first father
Kuami ji kwa wutim se nanim kwa se wo ba nim nanim kwa se wo muni subaya emba muni subaya ebi mo ni subaya
abutre na me ko chidie
ko mzuna omo na ebe pedin keke papa fo ni be pedin keke na
na oba be chinchi
etinya abutre Ogyam
na oba be chinchi sa wa hwe kwa no wa chinchi no ne papa akoda
ba timi ko yesa so so musi omo court
Kuami Eugene for mo court
Kuami Eugene won for the papa na mla
Kuami Eugene for mo court Ogyam amenka messages ne kakra amenka message
madam asemfa fie
abutre ase wo buafu dodo Ogyam
emani ni suban
emani ebi ni suban
sorry ebi no obi won ma ne baba ko ne be den kunchira da na akwani mu edobiri akwani akwani fefe won be da mema nche sa hu akwani ni mu a na se wo bia ane mo dama sa Is almost in the movie. The story is. I don't know. I'm from my bimo. I don't know.
We took a message.
You tell me if you come. Message.
I would say. Hey, Ogyam. I was for my messages. I can't inform more. I'm a phone from the Quanta. I want to inform Ghanaians that Lumba is God's sent bishop, approved man of wisdom. So let's all listen to him. Yeah, that's it, baby. Because of Lumba, I will never miss Kumawood TV for Thomas. For anything from Thomas Chechiman. Yeah, that's it, baby. Thomas, for your message. But I'm saying Ogyam no pay no. Wahiti Patapaa is really interesting. Hi, good morning. I'm Moses from Winneba. Please send my greetings to Lumba and Ogyam. They are great. Anyway, we love you for your message. Welcome Lumba, but the man has spoken and the mother has confirmed. So Kuami Eugene should shut up. Shut up for the hoy, my dear. Shut up for the hoy. I'm not going to you. And I'm going to chat about maybe about Kuna on anything say no. Mamma and papa. TV as of a kind of pedding, pedding to sweetheart. He can't shut up. How can 8 men claim, say, oh no, your mo papa? I know a day, Mr. Wada. Ogyam, please forgive me. I didn't like you yesterday, but today I love you. I now know that knowledge and wisdom belongs to you. Ogyam, take your 2 years, you two. And then that's the fans know offer 2 for what I'm watching. I know Eugene's father. So if you know Eugene's father, what should we do? Go and tell him. Tell him, say, hey, please, I know your father. So shut the hell up. This one also says, good morning to you guys. Whoa, I'm going to invite all my friends to start watching Kumawood TV. My name is Paco from Australia. Thank you, Paco. Wofa is my all-time favorite. I'm glad he's back on TV again. Kumawood Wofa is a huge asset for you guys. Should maintain him well. This is Paco from Australia. Paco, yeah, that's it. Yeah, boss or a guy. Your boss no, or a guy Kumawood or a guy or no, or mouth and baby, or mouth for Kuami. Say good morning, Lumba. In fact, your show is nice, bro. Keep it up. Today is my first time watching Kumawood TV, and I like the way people are explaining things. From Bihizi Techiman, Bihizi, yeah, that's it, for watching us today. Good morning, panel members. Please tell Bukom to stop bleaching, because it's rather defame him, as he thought he will have fame, right? Thank you for your message. This one also say good morning, panel members. Please, okay, I think it came twice. I'm going to skip to the next one. This one say I'm Samampa from Wofa. I want to sponsor you because of Lumba. Oh yeah, that's it. Make sure that you talk to us after the show. Hi, I'm Alonso from Aton. So I'm really enjoying your program. Please tell Lumba that I love him so much. He is full of wisdom. God bless you. Nations are uncle. This one say I'm Daniel Entry from Ashrim. I think say it didn't offer Ashrim. Yeah, Ashrim. Okay, from Ashrim. Please tell Lumba that I like him a lot. Because of him, I have stopped watching Royal TV. You are the best. Keep it up. Lumba, that Amber Power degree. This is Amber Power. I guess it didn't Ember. So Lumba, that Ember Power, they greet you. I'm watching him live from Kuchi. Ember Power here, that's still on the messages. Hello Diane. Bukom Banku pa. Why is he doing this childish things? Lumba, you are truly a legend. Kumawood TV all the way from Sir Williams in Totroso. Mama Choada, yeah, the last story bebro, but messages and doors on best program ever. You guys are duper by Big Soul from someone say. Yeah, that was it. I'm Priscilla from Techiman Bishop all the way. Priscilla, we really love you for your message. Still on your messages live on Kumawood TV. Lumba, you're welcome here. Lumba near Kumawood TV, near from Christian K Bam inside Afon Kanta. Lumba, we love you dearly. Loves you right back. Lumba, I like you pa by Edusei Puku. I have this one here. Hi, good morning. I'm Augustine at Yeji. Diane, I like the show you do all this morning. Ogyam, I greet you. You're the best. Bishop is good, but Diane, you are superb. Thank you for your compliment. Sell on. Thumbs up. The nation's uncle. This is OG Films. Great work done. Kumawood TV. This is director OG. Director Yedasi for. Oh, okay. Oh, wow. Nyamisha offer you too, baby. I will be offer. Only my baby wife says I want to do for say when keep papa we obi bua obi ano on person be come obi but then idea why in fact my love for you has doubled said my boss Sam Dakus on my starting with many opportunity hosting Kumawood Awards several times. I think about 3 consecutive times or so. Yeah, and I know the class one frame. I see. And yeah, Sam Dakus so about he gave me the opportunity, and I still know. Sometimes can or them banner on Chameka or Mamiska. I'm saying, hey, and I say, oh, we are no Wajira. Hey, and yeah, my last story, remember, there was some few more minutes to go. Last story, Abba. Okay. And it say pa de ensem ekoso offer na ensem na ekoso ebro adwene ene ntiaseso na answer na me the story ne beba no Ogyam obi the message bi bai ba me keep ba mpese o comment answer me de me last story na bo obi say Ogyam wo yere nom say I want to me the by me there was one money ding or say what you don't me saying auntie ya no na me family last me family last eh na do usrana ah okay into worry into me koso catch no office on come back up me nya no ade kra Ogyam yi wan no me dofo enti mamodi udin ka ho ya mo abetre wa de we so yesi toroto ana nyam abetre next story me pese me de ba na yebobo ho yankasa em papa beautiful oh me nya say ade odi ase yi na that's how the country dey say ya e say o fancy ka do be mu bi ni obi edi matemaka menga ibi o ha menga we oba bi na de bai ele me mpaka je se me mpano on can't just appel. On can't just appel to a mentor. I mean, me finance or remember. There are some crazy. And nobody will grab your corner. O ko na o ye no e no na wo to ate no o ko na o ye no sorry sorry o mama ko ofa ye that sorry ya one kasa beautiful what say obi antime nsesa de nyankopon aka em say nyankopon aka say sebi ye papa jo mama ona oye president 2021 ye po your mama na ye president of Ghana for me name say to abano bi ajo mama na we ni see hwe video ni ma mpeg didi bia o me so mpeg didi bia me tag me anope ye hwe video ni mra.
What do you mean? Zion, the man has won and he will be president 2021. Mark it. You see, Zion, your uncrophobia, they are God's plan. There are some people creating uncrophobia, they are God's plan. Like Job, or God's plan. Them guy now what on no call Missouri mono or Bible mono. Joseph, or God's plan. Nyankopon deny any program. Inti say try the best shut the program down rather than you are pushing him to see glory. That is how world is. A person like me, I'm a God's plan. Me and Nyankopon plan. Nyankopon army beautiful as my plan. Into no matter what human being feel to worse, downplay, sideline. No, I will never go down because. What do you mean? Zion, the man has won and he will be president 2021. Mark it. You see, Zion, your uncrophobia, they are God's plan. There are some people Nyankopon creating Grovia, they are God's plan. Like Job or God's plan. Them guy now what turn no call Misrim no our Bible no. Joseph or God's plan. Nyankopon deny any program. Inti try the best shut the program down rather than you are pushing him to see glory. That is how world is. A person like me, I'm a God's plan. Me and Nyankopon a plan. Nyankopon are me beautiful as my plan. Into no matter what human being feel to worse. What do you mean? Oh, Zion, the man has won, and he will be president 2021. Mark it. You see, Zion, they are God's plan. There are some people creating they are God's plan. Like Job or God's plan.
Yashe video nevi. Yaba studio. Made of a start because of one Indian and one Bibia no. Mugina now, we see each other. Tofa.
Wofa is beautiful. Radin and Kupunshan and Argentina. The Americans will be chain Argentina. Sana was but opinions are like nose.
Okay.
Argentina is happening. Ubiana ne dia bo bia dia so ye da e fata na di.
Okay.
The time me ka san se mi nya nche se Ewurade se de o se eye God plan ne dia ye ni problem dia.
Okay.
Enye se ne Ewurade pe ko nyame ne nim obo ni wiase ade a wo ye dia so ndi beba.
Okay.
But enye God plan a me nipa ma ne nye God plan eno ne ko so ntoko a ye ka ho asem no. Se ye nyina ye rich ne se we bank be boa ye botom be yedu edini kwan bi e be fa so obeba sa kwan bi anya ba anya God plan bi afede abeyi oni pape ekoba ne say e ko so ntokwa because bikurade na mfi say ye media na nya odia na so pese odia me na me ho masasa de ekra me yere me nsem
tapepepe
isi auto kai mu na onse meto bia bejo me sisi film na ma ye bongofo ebiretu ko hu sa de na ye media adan na
me si
true point nti eya na eye binom den say obeti as simple because ma bere na manya enti no say eye God plan say ne o kan de a Ewurade nhira no na emram because Ewurade tiri mu podi obi ntime nsesa no ba nya Ewurade tiri mu podi a mu anipa ne ma ne nya nyame tiri mu po mu ntie ne ye because omu nyina ye too eager say was sa na eye because eye sa ye ho beto ye eno de omu nyim from tiri ne o ma ho to nti na Ewurade bo wiase na mu wo wiase na ye wo mu na sum de enti wo ti asa na say ni mu nipa sum de enti di nye individual nipa bi ndi na ma Kristo sabi obeye ne a woye edi abasre no na etoso tu Wofa is beautiful just yes say me anu Wofa is John Dramani Mahama is excellency ex-president when nya akonya we ya nya na bra bo awie ye no
so what did be paying
what you asem na say because you had no do predo do say 3 times and son was survival and no say say we wan e ya Ewurade timu poso obedi bi nti obedi bi what you asem na say o papa enso ne enim say Ewurade ayi ama no kra e fredo man padini bia no wanya bisa sense of the fracture me MP vice president na me guso ya na me president waka baby ni ama matra na so na me tene na so na bere bia ba na ya sa ato ama me na me di akonya ana so akono nyame ya bi pa edu omu nyina twa papa enwo hye hunu se nyame ya papa no so ba mu twa no hye wanya mabro me da bia mkasa ade ba ko me pendisi asem no o ti ase ndc wade a nipa de do mo MPP wade a nipa de do mo ndc wo bra mo ma di wo bra so aba papa ne ba e mu nyina obi anwo ato no edimo me yi ga sasa anwo to ni nti no aferi e be ko so ntokokora na obenya eno de ye ne omo nya adwen eno de obi ampa e bokora support na mum se nyame na aka de a o adai na me enu ma se so nipa bi antime ntwen wo fo sa na be ye na me Wofa say John Dramani Mahama so ex president so metu ne fu kakra se ono so mfiase nkasa nkyere ne nkrofo no se wiase ne nyame pe no ye ena se nyame wansi wo hina na afo so fa ahinchesha obi ansomo o ti asem na se ejomo nte sa ansem na se kakra na ohunu se nyame pe anye nyame pe kro mo forget na wonwu ye no de e bia bibi great kra na dia nimu bibi atimisi
that's all for me ntwa no but then wo hwemu a se ye ex president John Dramani Mahama ono wadi akonye de watena so a wo hwemu a enti edi mbiem se bi mpedi asa
engineer sro da bi o so mo kasa na top money line
uzi o ma we fise mi do say no
okay
mu se ba bia pai Ghana man bia pa mu ya ko wura mu da hwa mama ya twa won nyina hia udi se baabi pa ye ko wu ha bebi chese enema ekoso mama mu no ye hunu bi na mo
I say your condo say person who be.
Dabi ebi so mada.
No na so da e ba akwese.
Ebi ba.
Ye mo mpa ye.
Ti so man no, o man we no, e nyame man. Edi say ya to aba. Mese papa mama. Say ya to aba. Ewie. Ye sre no ada. Onyai. Na 4 years.
E kwa anwa.
So wa nyai. Ne ko ba say ya. No one catch and train na chita for no mpanimfo no ya mo man de otie no anye se de tie no a de bia no ye be ka say ndisi nye ndisi na nye eye wo mu bata mahama ho wo mu ye yedum papa no manani na ho wo manani na ho no nya bi kama nka anye ase bi so akufadu ye o ye akufadu bi me boa o ye akufadu bi ekufo su papa pa mu a wo pre akonya ne wo nya ekufo na ka chifu nyina fo yi wo sunsuo ma ne se bi so ya to aba wie ne se ekufo so wo adi bi edi wa
ususu ne di na tina
na 4 years
na boy wa wan
Ogyam first na me ko Facebook live we kan put the story we kan fan to
ya
fanto ni enko ni mo empe gidigidi bia ya da to mama sama baby enche wo problem ne say wonim say ye do wo problem ne say
mama ja me no papa no
jana po baby tana catch your supporters in the 50 plus ne bia wa nya na yenko ye ni ye pa cho bebre Justice Kwanzaa or say my Facebook live or say Wofa is my all-time favorite. I am glad he's back on TV again. Kumawood Wofa is a huge asset for you guys to maintain him. I think say you brought a message or Facebook into WhatsApp into no metro. So Justice Abanso of Lumba, I love you. Ayite Linda or say good morning guys. Thank you. Good morning to you too. Thank you for choosing us this morning. I'm watching you live from Dunkwa. Chichire Lumba and Ogyam, keep it up. Thank you. Also bet me Edward the Ababa. Last time I say Edu crack sana me sanko. WhatsApp na messages me me be brina everywhere. Now you tell Patapaa worry. Na amanfo say I don't want no house. I'm gonna say you Ogyam I'm the tete me.
I want to dey mama.
What tete me na I want them what they say. Me for na no yet say Patapaa worry. No worry am for tebri and we see our no ho pa na ensem de omo kan bi ankasa we to bone ha na we ato abon ha left and right and center e chi junction aka edu ho no ma o gibre no wa hwe ba bi o befa we ana Patapaa se hwe won ka mo anu ntum na me na menim de ntia manware gare ni ba ne mum me ko ware say Germany Bruni. Yes, video and embrace. And
we thank God for our dear sister. She said, as for her, she will never base on spaghetti and decide what language. The reason why Africa is more fragmented is that we have so many languages. So when you meet an Ewe, your thought is different. When I meet a Fanti, my thought is different. When I meet an Hausa,
because maybe Indomie wono wana so na anyo na nche no so yeden
ene da ho no ya hwe ni nyina wi Ogyam me be start so
Patapaa wale Bruni na emede
jira ho na eyo de pa
me de pa
e dey tell say ema bra yo
is Patapaa Ghana ni ba ko wa Patapaa Patapaa ne be wotre e gbe ni nyina nya Patapaa ma
ade
Ghana for ma yi ni mu mu ebi esu ban ene ye ti Patapaa mu se Ghana ni ba de ono aka se ahunfe wo ene bi dada ayi wadate kura no ne manya na nya ne ma na Patapaa ho wotan na wasaba wale Ghana ni ba oba ni nyin se be 20
nyame abode o
yes oba ni nyin se be 20 be sha Ghana for ma adwen
ebi mu ha de
omu wa mete ebi pese ene Patapaa no wona fe no ko wa no afi bu se ni o twafa nchen
ne da o fa ware
what sha Ghana ni ba wo de ba wo ni for tense omu se Ghana ni ba de se bi se yesu ni e ban no ko wa omu a emwa ana onya brebre no onya broni broni so ti kuro mo e mo ni ayu munu wo ye bibi awu munu
obi anka nche
Ghana ni ba ko wa no a Patapaa bu so no ni obi ne da yesu a wo Ghana for man mpum di Patapaa ba bi o wale ye no eye Ghana form a chese Ghana form ma wa subai ene ni yenti na Patapaa ja o mu nyina e ko wale bruni
wo ye ni say na no okay we dem ba I reserve my comment we
ni ye
trust
wo de se ma make di Patapaa wa ya de pa se wa wale bruni na Ghana ni ba enya mfa ngona ni ti za de Ghana form ma se de so ebi mu wo subai a Patapaa ba wale
na no mo nyumo ntimi anya Ghana ni ba bia lai na sisa abrofo de on sa abrofo ya no mpe bibifo on pe blacks wo kwa abrochira abrofo ne pe blacks pa I tell you
so on tofa nechi broni mu se broni tofa ni
ko se broni bia wa be kan say o ware eye Ghana ni be ma onya problem da
obi abeka ko se broni bi so kan se bia ma wo na me na so si na wo nyem ye ana se de so nkwani nya wo ma enti Patapaa ba bi o de afa no wafa ba bi ye ba ko tunu fo no o tunu fu ye pa
sa
yes
anya bibi no ope die
bibi no ope Patapaa mu no nya fa dada ata twini mu no wa da ko be wunta ti Patapaa wa wale broni aya pa ai broni so wa re
so o down
broni wa re
fa ni se
ni broni
broni na he e de na wa he
o sa won fa
Ofa mina mini o. Mina mini. Ofa sese. Patapaa so no de eja. Germany bruni no pe. German bruni no pe. Ya no apa kofa.
Ya na mikra hamihu. Ade lu aye kan na picha kote.
Ne sese ya se de wakote bru. O de kan ma kuma ku ya wa.
Na de wate. Ya kan de o Deuteronomy chapter 7 verses 2. Ti asem wo se na Awurade Onyankopon yiwo mawo wase na Awurade Onyankopon yiwo mawo ma na dia sabi ya
oda tobo mo brema mo brema de twaso
wase na Awurade Onyankopon oyiwo won ma o ma oyiwo mawo kum ona okay mawo kum on a ene se on pasa wone won mpam na ehu won mobo verse 3 wase na ene won inni ayereware Patapaa wale ehu atema na meka yo na ene won enni ayerewale wo baba mma ne ba nso enye ne baba mawo ba enware
okay
emfa ne baba enware emfa wo ba so emma ne ba enware na about verse 4 o say efiri se ebe dane wo ba ani afiri machi ebe dane wo ba ani afiri machi Awurade na ekasa yo
okay
enti se Awurade se oyi atamfo hya wonsa ukum wo mu wie se wo mu pasa afa uwie a menware won baba
okay
emfa baba emma omo nso enware because unya ya saape ebeyi wani afiri wa Awurade Onyankopon wachi ye nwa de Ghana for ni abrofo hinfo pa na di Awurade bi ebruni Ghana for nya bro for him for pound baby
before na eje
him for pound do trust she Christo sum
me fa so baby before
mo kura no mo di Christo sum ba ye no okwa so dem na di 30 minutes oba so le afiri wa pire o ti asem na se
sa pepepe
entitie ni awurade kan wose so waje ufiri utamfo nsem tamfo ne wanye ye ha na yese o corona colonial anwania dabi colonial so ahon be fa ye ko nkwaso
okay
ana awurade se se meji mu firi nkwaso na mo ba masase a me awurade ma fiesie ama mo so a sa tamfo na mo ye mo sa no munya wo munku wo munsa wo pasa ti awurade asemo se wo pasa en mfa wo baba ma wo mo nware ana wo anso so no na nware sa nkofo no mu bia firi se so onya ya se apom be mu ajiwani afiri wo awurade unya nkopon asom ne so edi chakere so obi eye bibini ni onya fabro ni pe obo se na adna se san ye kan se okọ ho de ne tebia akwese san oye unia na nko ni ma awurade pa be dan ne transfer dan cha ne bubefu ofi abroche bedru bia ne ohwe bia nse be transfer ye buru ye nwensa ye no nwa e ho no de o nse system no sa na omo nkomode o ti asa na ye nkan bire bia atwa mu ni ankofo ye menta wo mo me poma se mpa bara ni ma be bire wo twani mu a e wo se papa no maso fo cheche me ani ba ye ho so onim say a great achievement but social system na ye o so de anka ne wa ya de pa because say the come pressure wo mu no sa na wo say ye but say ye do awurade ne de awurade asem so sa nkofo no nya ye yere no abrofo onya bibini bi ayere
mama announce me phone lines no na fe yonko ye because me
Ofa.
But so obeta ba dwumede na be say di 0202 Ogyam ba mama announce me lines ni bi na yonko 0202 668462 0202 668462 ofra e be pick o sorry say buy no e hwasem na wadaro
ejuma tie ni anu mo wale abrofo po be ka jo say omo ha adwene o na wan na sebe
also omo no mpa no kro
we media ya so omo ha adwene sa na ye ka entinya ye de ne omo so pano kura na se ye mpano kura mbwa
no so me ba on so
no kura no no mo bo abire nya yi
I'm waiting for your call. Bit my friend 0202 mommy announcement lines no jam to what say e kon to po be
say Patapaa so say
o say no paper ntina o ko ware o
say on say before yare bia
exactly and you know oba ye be pick straight away DJ Stone Killer Ghana. So good morning, my DJ Stone Killer. I'm watching you live from my thank you so much. Smile and Salif will say I'm watching offer from Dunkwa. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Middle, what to say?
Nyami Adumo, Namuswe.
Nyami Adu, hey champion, macho. Champion, Chawadi and I uncle.
Oh, madam, the bomb of us made my family.
Yeah, that's it. That's it.
Mini Kuami Eugene and Patapaa Kakachi.
Macho, can you tell?
Kreshana e bana so no so. Ibi mini ano so so. Ka won nsem kakra.
Okay.
Nti mo de onye ni dede kra, obi a obeba sane papa no bia no. Na wafa na wo de na ko ene bia ni. Oye ya na ba. Nti se o ko ye no na se nyane papa no a. Wa hwene ni so na se waja na oba bia waja na kra. Nti o de o kala kuma nto ne no o ma tankofo ni nyamba na onye o mu dia ni. Eno so be boa no.
Yeah, that's for CJ Fashion. So I'm a come and then no and I'll include me. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Middle, what to say?
Oh, Bishop Lumba. Madam Monica. It's my son and Michano.
Oh, so Joseph.
Oh, the program come up from the Michano Mokano Crest. Mokano Crest, and Michano, and put all my mobile no mamma.
Yeah, that's okay, yeah, that's a part. I'm only for each other now. So it's my bus 0202668462. Hello, good morning.
Good morning, Kumawood.
Middle, I want to say.
Hello.
Mpasho, good morning. I want to say.
Good morning, my hoya now so.
Eradi adum, my hoya pa. Mpasho me too.
Maybe the 7, the Patapaa.
Okay. Into middle.
My car, beautiful. My Mahama, all my coupon, also personality.
Okay.
I have been a play, Abubury, so I'm going to keep them to no mass in Ghana and a Ghana and Yomadia.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Sweetheart, what you saying?
That's a radio dumbo.
Body chair na yenko.
Yeah, from the brain, I'm a cassette of friends on Namo. Many for Lumba TV, I'm many.
Yeah, that's it. Hello, good morning.
Yeah, hello, good morning.
Make a show, body chair na yenko middle. Hello. But I offer now one lower or television on my son a better one because I now my feedback. Why? What are Roma? Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning. But we didn't baby are free.
You're saying that I see at the
okay. But me too.
I'm a cover of the Lumba. I'm a person who has some material to see more about your family with a that was it.
Hello, good morning. Hello.
Yeah, Mama, I'm trying to get a follow back and I'm a better.
Mpashomo koyetiu.
The Kakaka.
Okay.
The better at some and I don't know kind of. I'm more familiar about it. I'm probably better looking to what I have.
Okay.
I tell you, the quality of my position at all. And you know, I know the Patapaa, you know, Ghana for Kata.
Okay. Yeah, that's the person who wants to vote me every. Number 2 or 3 calls, nothing here in the phone session. On to wait my friends 202. Hello, good morning. Sorry.
Good morning.
Good morning, sweetie pie.
But I'm planning. Sammy, make a sleeping night.
Okay, Sammy, me too.
Oh, my who Bishop Lumba, many are the offer.
Nice one.
My city say, what's the Tiago?
Or Joseph Papa. Finally, Ogyam will buy into one. I don't be fancy. Hello, good morning. Hello.
Hello.
Good morning, sweetie pie. Hello, good morning. I shall Uluwa with television. I'll bet you can very well. Why? What are wrong?
Hello.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Middle, body chair, and I am called.
You're from Japan.
Okay, so Japan means
I have some more beautiful, some more. The new one, you know, person, the shiny patrim. The real fear, maybe I will be shot to the arm. So, no one can hear it. I can't want you if I was on our camera. I can't even. And to make a picture of the family between for sale. Money creativity and true between.
Okay.
Now, no one for confusion,
okay.
Or China Bino. Be and Kola Mobano. I be sure with you, said, no, and answer baby at 2 and we'll be easy.
Yeah.
And the so bad Adam. Okay, I can do to a home pine and I mean, I may stand in. And yet the unknown the unknown Koowaa video. But about the people, Matugana. Immediately, I'm picture on them.
Yeah, that's it. If you are also sponsor Jumedia number at that screen, so offer number for the phone, you know, SC. I don't think say far call baby, but number at that screen, so if you want to sponsor the program, you can call that number. Let's just say penny for and no attraction come because it's be number that screen, so no, just call the number if you want to sponsor Bibia. If you want to close us, want to do anything, just make sure that you call the number. Now, and the form say, Fala. So I say, Ogyam, yeah, but answer not. I'm saying, maybe the Facebook messages are but more non call. Make a WhatsApp so as well.
Yeah, someone, yeah, Colonel Patapaa, maybe our Patapaa, the everything.
Okay.
And yeah, I chase a Ghana for man, you know. Sabia so munya mema no a mon korokoro wo mu ene ye din se be chemu ye didi atem kwasea ne aboa ye ka kire bema ni sika kora no a ye de nada pa tudwa ye gu nanim ase broni so be yesa ni si so kra me fa me no me na kwa na nka be pese ni na broni na nka be wa no yes he's a Ghana for man take mema dodo draw sa sha woni ne dan ne ade kire na wa me sika abonze na wada pa be tudwa munyo
that's how much of money now much of money no be dey
hey mo freya ni ye mo sisi
some who nice girls out me say girl you looking nice but then I say what me so a man looking nice
man pressure change me
na dey no boni dey no boni to
Ogyam me answer me no nya adwe me no nya adwe
ma ya da pa
hey that's why zero that's why zero why ya da pa
ni na nam na pamu
ba na ofa oh na we dey gidi na
na nam na pamu fu firi wonum ko bia ba wale broni
no ana me sha ba wale broni ofa wale nkoko wale broni meta wachi
futu am de ma Patapaa nya ne se saade na o kan word na o kan di achi se ye bi person
yeah
who se Ghana ko tie
sa pepe
de kan of focus mama o ba na ti
sa pepe
the fin ekru na wari ye ti bi se egu a onye obi amobo because ono na create bi ato aware na because onam ni obi a se eyi obi afe se wanya buru na ware na se de o kankasa we tama ware de a se wonim ni awoye
yeah
ndi de nchabe mako so mahene
okay
nana akwasi bo so pra one ne ho kani chaso nkonko nana pia na tiko ko so ehwe ya no pay kurura chaso nkonko ma no kin Solomon na njane pa so se ada de no che we Moses ku Greta akwasi Adamako Junior and so ehwe ya machia na ye bua awemfo ba odifo o ya peko
nice one
bompaye bia me kwa ko ye didwuma bia na bompaye ta na chimani ma ekoso na papa mbanja so Kenya social na pe just and so se ada de mini akosi ade mfo o bia
okay
chiano kwanso nkoso kura
sa pepe which obi
we na me chaso fo baduko bi
no
papa baduko bi
ono pe
chiano
ono pe
ma che gufu adu ma chama hama asa
wanja ge
me
anja
me ge o
kira so ba
chama ge
Ogyam ke so oba ja wo se me nya say
ba chama ge
wo se wu ni girl o ga e ba ko afi de wo se wu ni girl
o se ge
so atna ma ye ne sa ware o
yo fa me kumi o fa ya empratche da se ware o
e mom de nko
empratche but o be do what the whole but so kwa what abo bebo no no to take the ritual empratche
Ogyam ye e da wo hwe o
make you minju wale e di bro ja we de me wale
ba ko po the same odo na wo da ho sa me ko mani mi da mu di Ogyam de manyime ne mfiri wa na nsem na be say bebrebe ofa God bless you keep it up thank you so much me do quat and I edit message you about on Facebook live and afi me do quat corner on same please very bad feedback oh so sorry about that one mo fanche I think say na amount for no so course never because their volume is a little high and into na ema munyane sa mo fanche ade of lumba you can't see the Bible words well and also of no of when you need until so to na bo
nyenye no kro
na just
that is school visit to mo me am
e wa fa se me kama kana kan say na yes nana yawo Abrant Nana ya Abrant pass says okay I'm not going to read it again e better mo nyina say encha sono enko ema Evangelist Lord Kenya maybe I will be an Reverend mo official pa nyame onye okese mi remfeel me so fa bo ni kra me ne wo mtrim nyame enye okese baby I will be so be kase dan wo twa me abo mi twa mo me ada star baby encha so no be me enkoma enokate mame nyame onye okese so be am kam se nka wan so me mo a oni eje du hine nyame eham papa pa mo so mo anka no penka menti ha welcome you so much thank you so much for always making sure I look well May's collection me say me do how be me star baby me chia papa daddy me chia me mani nyina so me chia mo nyina sa pepe encha so no enkoma me director me crew adebia no or making sure say Jumedi no ebe so successful e dey my executive producer Samuel K Dakwe Sam Dakus nyame enyo kese you give me the platform and still giving me the platform again nyame inshallah production manager Eugene Mosi Akwa Yes. Loretta, thank you so much for always being there. You're so amazing. Samson and Kobe Frank, Insha, Augustina and Sa. God bless you all. Making sure
problem bravo.
Hey.
I
didn't see.
I probably have friends say. Kumawood yanka. Yebobla ne ha.
Nade.
Kumawood ye.
Ade ye ko baby.
We be catch them say one way na one gapotan so.
Of Banku baby. I said make us say.
Ni ni amoso di pe di obe. What you know me?
As I may know a guy. Yeah, director no just say oyebi just say. Me won say me think no. Or no na baby o. Or no.
This is the guy so so pe.
Sir. Sir. I'm saying for your way. Now they may feel Ogyam, me Jawan, small back count TV. So, in the upon Ogyam boy, but she more a sweet FM and I don't pay between 10 and then 12 midday. I make for sweet power mid morning and Embro. Meeting the Diane and do hene. I mean, Shamoina. Yabon.
Yo, man, this is the nation's uncle, Offa Bishop Lumba. We are sitting in our family. A Koowaa, you may be an ocean.